everybody, welcome back again. I've been moving right along here on this Yamaha Virago build. Slow progress, lots of detail work to do. I've painted up some of the headlights and signal lights there on the chrome tree. Got them ready to go with the magic markers and that. I got the figure here, I got his legs put together. I'm not going to put his arms on until I get the bike put together, so they'll be fastened on in the right position with the handlebars. I just painted the rims on the tires gold, just some craft gold, King's Gold paint. Run a Molotov chrome marker around the edge of the rim and put the tires on. The tires are nice soft rubber, they go on quite easily. And I've got the rear tire here ready to go, and I've got the the arms and brakes attached to that. I haven't been using super glue to attach the chrome pieces. I've been scraping off the attachment points and just using the Tamiya Extra Thin model glue that's stuck to my holder here. Extra Thin modeling glue, just dab it on there, and everything seems to be going together quite well. So far the frame, I just put on the rear bumper and taillight assembly and the rear foot pegs. I've left the frame and just the black plastic. I haven't painted it. I figured that's a lot easier to glue. When I glue parts onto it, I don't have to scrape it then. And then I'll just seal that up later. I've done the seat and the backrest. I've just put a satin finish, satin varnish over those. Still pretty shiny. I might dull it down a little bit when I get it together, see how it looks. It's coming along. The engine over here is all together, just waiting to go in. I got the it comes with the tubes for the lines there, the hoses and wires. So I've got the engine all ready to go on and detail painted and so on. It's ready to go in. I've got the gas tank and the side covers in the paint booth there in primer. I'm trying to decide what color to paint those. So we're moving right along. We're up to step 6 and 7 here, attaching the rear wheel assembly onto the frame and then attaching the shocks. So I'll be doing that soon. And then I guess the mufflers are next. Maybe I'll start doing that now, gluing the muffler halves together and preparing them for assembly. Okay, I'm back again with a quick progress report. As you can see, I've got the back wheel on and the shocks attached. I've got the engine mounted and bolted on, and then the instructions call for this piece here. It's the extended front foot pegs, and I noticed they're molded in white, so that cream color, and they're supposed to be chrome with the black foot pegs, and it's the same color as the rider, so I'm assuming that this is an additional piece. That's because the rider is included. This has to go on there to give him the stretched pegs for the forward pegs. So I'll have to paint those and chrome paint, and then attach those on the front and proceed. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm back with another progress report. I've got quite a bit more done. I've got the rear tires installed, the shocks, got the motor in, air breathers, I guess they are there, and the foot pegs, kickstand, backrest supports. I've got the gauges ready to go on here. I ran into a bit of an issue. Got the handlebars, grips glued onto the handlebars, ready to go on. Got the front tire mounted, front fender, brakes, headlights, and all that's just letting the glue dry on that. Everything's going quite well so far. Had a couple of minor setbacks. Went to put the decal on for the gauges, and put the first one in the water, and it kind of disintegrated. So I don't think I'll be using those. I'll try and find a picture online or scan the other ones online and print something off that I can use. It's unfortunate because they are nice looking gauge decals, but I don't know what happened. I just put it in the warm water and it wouldn't release from the paper, and then it just kind of disintegrated. The other problem I've just had is with the gas tank. To paint the gas tank and the side covers, that's all that needs painting. Deciding on the color, I wanted to use a sort of a gold metallic brown, and the one that I have in the craft paint is almost the same color as the pinstripes here, so the pinstripes wouldn't have shown. But now that I know the decals may not be any good, I may just put that on and skip the decals altogether, because what happened is I used some Tester's Extreme Lacquer, the root beer color. I've had this for a couple of years. It's the first time I've used it. It's the first time I've ever used Tester's Extreme Lacquer paint. And maybe because I don't know what happened. I sprayed it in the garage. It's a little cooler in the garage, but I just kind of heated everything up, ran out, sprayed it, and ran back in again, and it all bubbled up. Well, not all, but half of it bubbled up. It's over Vallejo surface primer. I don't know if that had something to do with it, or the temperature, or the way I was spraying it, or whatever happened. I guess I'm going to have to strip it and start again. So it's going to take a little bit more, a bit of a delay there, to take a little longer than I thought. Unfortunately, I'll have to strip that back. Hopefully I've got something that will strip the lacquer off of that. And anyway, stay tuned. It's going together well otherwise, and I was hoping to be finished soon, but to redo the paint job on the gas tank. So thanks for following along. Stay tuned, and we'll see where this goes next.